Okay, so for swipes, you want to have this basic position, but you want to keep your butt elevated off the floor. You want it to have it like kind of like a tabletop, straight. All right. Now the next thing that you're going to do is depends on if you're right-handed or left-handed. You know, power hand is right, power hand is left. Depends on which way you go. If you go clockwise, the way you're going to be going is to your left. And if you go counterclockwise, the way you're going to be going to is your right. Okay, the reason for this is because if you want to link it to other moves like windmill or like head spin or something, which I'll show you later, it's a lot easier to go the opposite of what you're usually doing, because this is a hand that claps, right? Your power hand. So if you go this way, how are you going to collapse with a windmill? You can't. So when you go this way, so you can collapse. The basic swipe. What you want to be able to do is, you want to have this position set down like I told you. You want to put your hand down. What you're going to be doing is twerking your body right here. You're going to put your hand down, but before it even touches, you want to let your legs go around with it. So again, you're like this, right? Now, this hand's going to go almost to make a triangle with your hands. Kind of like, pretend this is the floor. This is your hand that's already there. You want to kind of put it in a triangle. You see? So when you get here, you're going to push off with your legs and let your hand go back into that position. So I'll try to do it slow. There, triangle, jump, back in that position. This position, make a triangle, jump off, and twist your body around, but without your feet staying on the floor. You want to have your feet off of the floor, otherwise it doesn't count. Like that. For all power moves, you want to go in a circle. Swipe is not an exception. You want to go in a circle when you swipe. The way to do this is when you're turning around and making that triangle and hopping around, you want to kind of force your body to go circular. You see how I'm kind of like going here, 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 but I'm staying in a circle. I'm not going in a line. That's what you want to do. And to do that, when you're putting your hands back down for the second swipe, pretend I did one. You're right here. You want to kind of throw your body this way in a circular pattern. Let your legs go back over here. Now, a lot of people want to do swipes from standing, and there's two ways to do that. There's one that I use. I don't know what it's called, but basically it's just like starting your swipe, but from standing, like exactly the same way you would do it from the floor. So, see? That way, the only thing you have to do is, from side view, you want to kind of lean while you're going down and dropping into it. And from there you can do more. The other way, which is more common, is to do a bowl effect into swipe. A lot of people don't know what the bowl effect is. This is the bowl effect. You get it? You go in a circle, kind of like a bowl. The way to do swipe from that is when you're landing, right here, you're going to put your leg, twist. So, left hand to right leg. When this leg goes up, you want to hop with this one. Don't put your hand down until you're here. So, left hand to right leg, put it in front, twist, swipe. So a lot of things that people have problems with is keeping their butt up in this position, because a lot of people do the swipes like this. It's still a swipe, but it's not very clean. And in order to clean that up, what you want to do is, you want to start practicing just holding this. Just hold it. Make sure your butt's up. Don't let it droop down like that. Keep it up, and then you want to start doing slow swipes, like this here. Your foot's still on the floor so that you stay in this position. Now what that's going to do for you is, when you later on when you try to regular swipe, you're going to be used to staying in this position, so when you land, your butt's not drooping.